Today we will start the chapter 3, the minerals and the power. But before starting the lesson, let me tell you the meaning of this lesson. What is actually minerals? Minerals are the natural occurring substance which have fixed chemical composition. And what are power resources? Power resources are the energy resources come in the form of nuclear fossil fuel. You know what is actually fossil fuel? Like natural gas, oil, coal and renewable resources. What are renewable resources? Like wind, solar energy. That is called your power resources. So let me start with the lesson. So what is actually minerals? A natural occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition. Means they have, and you have seen many minerals like iron and like gold. These are the minerals. They have fixed chemical composition. And minerals are not evenly distributed over space. They are concentrated in a particular area or rock formation. Means they are fixed to a particular area or the rocks formation. Some minerals are found in areas which are not easily accessible, such as Arctic Ocean bed and Antarctica. So we are facing many difficulties because they are in the bed of Arctic Ocean and Antarctica. So they are not easy to search or easy to take out. Minerals are formed in the different types of geological environment under varying conditions. They are created by the natural process without any human interference. As I have told you in the chapter 1 also, that these resources are formed by long process. Means they have taken many years to form, and they are gifted by our nature. Means there is a no human interference in that. These are provided by our mother nature. They can be identified on the basis of the physical property. You can identify them by their physical property, like their color, their density, their hardness and chemical property and its solubility. So they are categorized according to their characteristics. So I hope it is clear to you. Next, we are having the types of minerals. There are over 3,000 different minerals on the basis of their composition. Means they have, as they are having different composition, they are classified according to their composition. They are classified mainly metallic and non-metallic minerals. And I hope so you have studied in your science also what is actually metallic and what is actually non-metallic. And you can see around you, you will see many examples of metallic, and you can also see the example of non-metallic minerals. But in this chapter we will go through one by one what is actually metallic minerals and what is actually non-metallic minerals. So metallic is what? It contains metal in a raw form. Means like, as you know what is actually raw, that is not processed, like, so that is in the raw form. Metals are hard substance that conduct heat and electricity and have a characteristics luster or shine. Like iron ore, bauxite, manganese ore are some of the example. Means they have some luster, they have some shine also, and they also have a hard substance that conduct heat and electricity. So what is actually metallic minerals may be ferrous and non-ferrous. And now you will think what is ferrous minerals and what is non-ferrous minerals. So it's an important question. You can know by this. The ferrous minerals are like iron ore, manganese, chromite contain iron, and non-ferrous minerals does not contain iron, but they contain some other metals. Means the ferrous minerals, they have like iron also, manganese and chromite they contain iron, but the non-ferrous minerals does not contain iron. So there is a difference. One contain iron and one does not have iron, but they have other metals such as gold, silver, copper or lead. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metal. They do not contain any metal. I hope so it is clear. Again I am telling you, The metal are divided into two parts, metallic and non-metallic. What is actually metallic? It is in hard and they have the luster, and they conduct heat and electricity. And on the other hand, we have the non-metallic material minerals also do not contain any metal. So now by this flow chart we will learn a lot, like the minerals are divided into three categories: metallic, non-metallic, energy minerals. So first I will take metallic. What is actually metallic? Ferrous, for example iron and nickel, and non-ferrous does not contain iron. See the difference, one contain iron and one that does not contain iron is non-ferrous minerals like copper, lead, tin. What is actually non-metallic minerals? They are limestone, sandstone, marble. You have seen in your house also, and you can see the Taj Mahal that is made up of marble. So what is actually marble? Marble is non-metallic minerals. Now energy minerals. What is actually energy minerals? That gives energy like coal, petroleum, natural gas. These give energy. Like suppose you are having the car, but you can't drive that car without petrol, so you need energy for that. So that energy is provided by the petrol. So we are having the natural gas also, and that you are also using it, LPG. So these are the energy, the minerals that are provided by our nature. Now, how we extract, how we take out the minerals, it's not in the same form that you are seeing it. They are in the mixed form, and how we are doing it, how that we will study in the extraction of minerals. Minerals can be extracted by mining, drilling, and quarrying. The process of taking out the minerals from the rock, because these are buried, these are buried under the surface. So how we are taking out it? We are taking out by mining, and minerals that lie at the shallow depth are taken out by removing the surface layer. This is known as open cast mining. Again I am telling you, when we are taking out the buried material from the earth's surface, that is called mining. And when the minerals they are taking out from the shallow depth, they are taking out by removing, that means they are just removing the surface layer, and this is also known as open cast mining. Deep pores called shafts have to be made to reach mineral deposits that lie at the great depth. This is called shaft mining. So they are also doing they are making, going to the depth, and they are taking out the things like petroleum and natural gas. And that it will be more clear by the diagram that is given in your book. You will see how they're extracting the petroleum and the natural gas occur far below the earth's surface. Deep wells are borrowed to take out. This is called drilling, where you know what is, you all are having the drilling machine. Even you also you do drill in your wall when you want to hang any painting. So that is called drilling. But actually when we want to take out the things from the depth of the earth, for that they do the drilling. So minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out, and that process is called quarrying. So now you can see the diagram, the figure 3.4, offshore drilling of the oil. So you can see how they are drilling, just drilling offshore, was drilling out the oil. So extraction of minerals. Now it is clear through this diagram what is actually mining. And I have told you that when we are just taking out the things from the bed of the earth, and we are removing the layer, that is called open cast mining and mining. Drilling is also there, and quarrying is also there. I hope so it is clear. Now distribution of minerals. Minerals occur in the different types of rock. See, we are having the different types of rock. You have studied in your class 7 also the different types of rock: sedimentary rocks, igneous rock, metamorphic rock. So you have read, and you know how the igneous rock form, and how the metamorphic rock form, and how the sedimentary rock form. So These minerals occur in the different types of rock. Some are found in igneous rock, some are found in metamorphic rock, while other occur in sedimentary rock that form by the breaking of the sediments. So generally metallic minerals are found in igneous and a metamorphic rock formation that form large plateaus. Iron ore in the North Sudan, copper, nickel deposition. So these are the place given where these minerals are found. So you can learn it also and you can underline it also. So minerals found in igneous and metamorphic rock, sedimentary rock formation of the plains and young fold mountains contain non-metallic minerals like limestone. So these are actually what is limestone? It is non-metallic minerals. So I hope so this part is clear to you, and read the chapter thoroughly, underline what the important hard words and just search it in the dictionary, underline the all the important terms. I have told you the mining, I have told you the drilling, just go through each and everything, and thank you and have a nice day.